Hello guys, welcome to MedEasy. Here we will deal with the medical concepts in a very easy and conceptual way. So now we will talk about the aqueous humor dynamics. As I have told you earlier, ciliary body produces the aqueous humor. Let's see how it's move. So as I have told you earlier, ciliary body, the plas plicator, it produces aqueous humor. See this diagram. Pars plicator produces aqueous humor which goes into the posterior chamber, and through the pupil it enters into the anterior chamber and it moves further. Posterior chamber, pupil, then anterior chamber, then this is what is called angle. It goes to the angle, and here is the, you can see the dots here, the trabecular meshwork. From here it enters the Schlemm's canal, and from there it goes to the episcleral vein. So it's the pathway, total pathway produces by the pars plicator, posterior chamber, pupil, anterior chamber, angle, trabecular meshwork, sh- um, Schlemann's canal, and then episcleral veins. Okay, this is how our aqueous humor moves. Anterior segment and posterior segment. As I've told you earlier, our lens divides the eyeball into the anterior segment and the posterior segment. The anterior segment, the structure anterior to the lens is anterior segment, and the structure posterior to the lens is posterior segment. Here are some differences between the aqueous humor and the vitreous humor. Actually, many of you already know this, because aqueous humor is aqueous, name already suggests it's watery. Vitreous, it's glass like, it's a solution, it's gel, it's provide nutrition to our non vascular structure like lens and the cornea. Its vitreous humor act as the shock absorber. It produces at the rate of the 2.5 microliter per minute. It only produces at the time of the birth. Our vitreous is once produced and it will go with us forever for the lifetime. It will, if it get damaged or something, it will not be reproduced. If we have to enter the anterior segment, we will enter through the limbus. If we have to enter the posterior segment, we can enter through pars plana only. And its composition is the blood plasma with few exceptions. And the composition of the vitreous is 98% water, hyaluronic acid, type 2 collagen. These are the composition of the vitreous humor. Aqueous humor, as I have already told you, it produces from the pars plicator, from the non-pigmented epithelium. Mechanism of production: active, it contributes to the 70% of the production, and actually first is secretion. Secretion is occur by the active pathway, then ultrafiltration and diffusion, these are the passive ones, and it only contributes to the 30% of its production. As I've told you, it produces at a rate of 2.5 microliter per minute. It never stops, or it slow downs during the sleeping, and its production increase during the morning. Its production increases during the early morning, and therefore we have a high intraocular pressure whether you are awake or whether you are sleeping at the time of the 7 to 8 a.m. due to your circadian rhythm. As we all know, so outflow facility, that's I've already told you. It outflows through the angle and trabecular meshwork, and then moves to the Schlemann's canal, and then to episcleral veins, and its outflow rate is 0.2 microliter per minute per mm of Hg. Suppose our intraocular pressure is 10 mm of Hg, so we will have 2 microliter per minute of outflow rate, which is perfect. So let's see the differences. As I have told you earlier, the aqueous humor is similar to the blood plasma, but it has some extra things. So blood has the more glucose and more protein than the aqueous humor. Aqueous humor has 80% of the blood glucose, means that is less from the blood glucose, and it's almost protein free, and it should be protein free because we have to see the clear vision. And if there will be the protein, then vision get blurred because we have to maintain the transparency in the path of light. And it's present just behind the cornea. So we have increased ascorbate and increased lactate. So thank you guys, we are now at the end of our lecture with this. Thank you very much for listening so patiently, and please support, like, subscribe and share. And I hope you enjoy, and this video will be very knowledgeful for all. Thank you guys.